Good morning, grade 4. Our lesson for today is about count and mass nouns. Noun is a name of a person, place, thing, or idea. Let's study these examples. Number 1, Mary ate a bowl of delicious soup. The nouns in the sentence are Mary, bowl, and soup. Number 2, our new baby was born in the hospital on Friday. The nouns are baby, hospital, and Friday. Okay, what do the nouns in the first column have in common? Teacher, table, garbage can, poster, trees, and bag. The nouns in the first column are what we call count or countable nouns, or a name of people, places, things that we can count. The numerals like 1, 2, and 3, or articles such as a and an, are put before these nouns to indicate their numbers. Examples: a book, pertaining to one book; 2 villages, 7 dwarfs, 12 apostles, and 4 pencils. How about the nouns in the left column? Sand, soil, gas, hair, grain, and water. Nouns such as gas, sand, and soil cannot be counted. What do we call these kinds of nouns? We call them mass nouns or uncountable nouns. Are names of uncountable things that we look upon as one big mass. We cannot say 1 gas, 3 sands, or 12 soil. So how do you count mass nouns? You can't, but you can measure them. What can you use to measure nouns that are uncountable? For mass nouns, we use counters. Noun counters are measuring devices we use to quantify mass nouns. Containers are forms of counters. If you want to express the plural form of mass nouns, use noun counters. Examples: a box of cereal, or 6 buckets of water. Another examples of mass nouns: the 7 cans of Coke, 8 cartons of milk, or 9 cups of coffee, 10 glasses of water, 11 jars of honey, and a dozen packets of butter. Class, you can measure a mass nouns to count it, but the noun counter takes the plural form, not the noun. Examples: the 2 liters of milk and 5 kilos of butter. But you can also measure mass nouns using shapes or portions, but once again, the noun counters takes the plural form. Examples: the 2 pinches of salt, the 5 slices of cake, and the 14 spoonfuls of sugar. Now, class, to sum it up, why do you think we need to distinguish count nouns from mass nouns? Because in identifying count in mass nouns would make us communicate our ideas better. Imagine saying milks, sugars, or coffees. These nouns are in incorrect forms because they are mass nouns that need counters for measurement. Thank you for listening, grade 4. God bless and see you again.